Hey everybody, it is Tuesday, and so I got a tip for you. Today we are going to be talking about calibration schedules and how to clear out the due date of a calibration schedule when an event fails, or when a calibration fails rather. So we go into Equipment View, and we go to the Scheduling tab. And so notice in this ABC Company Asset 3 that I have here, we do not have a schedule. So let's go ahead and create a schedule for this piece of equipment. And I'll just put this a little bit behind. We'll set that up for 12. All right, so it's due for cal today, right? So we go ahead and hit OK, and now we have a calibration schedule. Let's now go into workflow configuration. That's where we edit our events. And once we open that up, we're going to go to the Schedule Updates tab, or step rather. So in here, we currently open up our calibration schedule updates rule. And what it's stating here is that we do not update on fail. And that we can use our system-wide settings and then always update or clear next due date. So all that's going to do is replace what the due date is with today's date, or whatever the event date is that you're calibrating this. And then what no update on fail means is it just keeps whatever the current due date is. So what we're going to do is we're going to leave that alone because that's working great. That's the out-of-the-box way that our calibration schedule works. And then when we add another one, we're going to add an additional calibration schedule. We're not going to check no update on fail because we want it to update on fail. And then what we're going to do is we're going to select due date schedules, clear due date only. So that should be what we want to do. We want to clear out the due date so that we can rectify the piece of equipment and fix whatever issue incurred during the calibration. Then what we're going to do is we're going to filter by over here the last calibration result. And if we go is exactly failed, then this rule will only fire when a calibration result is failed. All right? So let's go ahead and hit OK on there. Don't worry about checking any of these other boxes. And then let's go ahead and save that down. Hit Finish. Reload all settings after you make changes like that to configuration. And let's go ahead and calibrate this instrument. So I'll leave that up. We hit calibrate. As you're going through this instrument, you fill out all your necessary info. We are just going to select failed here so that it knows that this calibration failed. We go next all the way through. I'm not sure if these things are required in my event. We hit yes. And now watch what happened. The next due date has been cleared. And so that is how you can clear that on an event failure for a calibration event. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.